Okay, the answer to yesterday's question and the final question was Haymarket. Shout-outs go to Helen Britton, Trainspotter156, James Stewart Trains, MS Trains, Exploring Buses Around the United Kingdom, Henry's Transport Adventures and Beyond, Rosie Lawrence, Liam Titanium 04, Thomas Will Gamer TV, Jack Lawrence, Trains and More Trains, Public Transport for You, and the Train Horn Master. Well done for answering the question correctly, everyone.
The next train at platform 2 is for
Okay, now arriving on platform 2 is a metro service to St James. This is a short edition because the train that's arriving on this side is my service. 4079, service 123.
the next train at platform 1 is for South Shield.
4079 to 4018. Also arriving in is my service back to South Shields. Service 125, 4024. (4024) to 4033. Thank you for watching.